Director of this school, Mr. Vijay Kumar Ranjan, Principal S.N. Thakur, HRM Sir Kausal Kishore, and parents of my dear students, my alumni, and my lovely boys and girls. A very warm welcome, all of you. Today we are celebrating 2019-20 Founders Day Carnival, and it is a great day for us. As a Sanskarian, we are feeling great and we celebrate these functions in very enjoyable forms. We have seen not too much performance, least performance we have seen, and in this a great effects of our children's souls. Our mission is to take education healthy and enjoyable experience. We not only focus in academic, we also focused in co-curricular activities because these all things help children to grow with global mind. If a children from his childhood play in every field, and if they enjoy their study as well as their extracurricular activity, then most they are the future of our state, our country. We always focused overall development of our children, and in this our director sir is always ready with high energized form, and every performance we are seeing not only the effort of our children but also the effort of our directors, our teachers, and all the members of Sanskar Bharati Global School. We always promote a student because if they not developed in school, then how will they develop in outer world? This is the initial period of everyone children, and so we always look their all activities, what they do. In this, we always support students, and we support girls too much because in nowadays also in 21st century also not girls get same opportunities, and we think in rural areas where we are living here girls coming in our school, so we provide them too much open stage for them. In our school, not only for the education or for the academic, in every field we focus. Our students achieve many things in academic also, as 2019 Ignite Award awarded our students, 11th students, even Amritesh, and in Madhubani function, Beti Padhao Beti Bachao, they also achieve awarded our student. So we feel very great for these functions because we developed our children in every field, and our aim is also to provide all the children in a global citizen. So we provide all the global things to our children. We are here and we are celebrating this function. It is not only a one day. There is a many effects of many days. Our children works too hard for this function make successful. Some children falls down, some have broken their legs, broken their head, but they never mind it, what they have hurt. They always focus his goals. No, I have to successful our carnival. And in this cold season, we are wearing too much clothes, but our children now also performing in the single dress. So it is also their efforts. And thank you for all these things, everyone, to make this function successful. And it is also from next day, tomorrow we will also this program. We will see too much performance our students and their efforts. Thank you all of you. Jai Hind.